After Hurricane Ike, a wall was not repaired correctly, and a couple of years later I noticed black on the wall and called Mark to come and check it at Green Star. He found that the wall and the insulation and the wall behind it in the garage were all covered with mold, and they all had to be ripped out. He did take them out very neatly, very cleanly, without making a mess, dispose of the moldy stuff. He put up plastic to protect my house from the mold spores, treated the area with the antibacterial type spray, and put up the fans to dry everything out completely. And when he came back, he cleaned everything up and took it out, and I was prepared for a contractor to come in. It was very neat. He was very reassuring the whole time on exactly what was going to happen and how long it was going to take, and very easy to work with. There was a second incident after Harvey. The same wall flooded again. We found there was a leak in the roof, and he came back out again, and this time he could just go from the garage side and rip out the sheetrock and the wet insulation, and that was before the sheetrock on the inside had been damaged, so he could just dry that out again with the fans and the plastic hanging from the ceiling to protect the house and keep it as quiet as possible. And then we had to have that reconstructed again. They are very, very efficient. They come on time. They show up when they say they're going to. They have the right equipment every time. They don't have to go find equipment. They know exactly what they're doing. They're very accurate in the time span that they say is going to take care of the situation. They're very reassuring on exactly that it can be fixed and what to expect along the way, and just very easy to get along with.